Hey guys, welcome back. So today's session is about evaluating formulas in Excel. So let's get started. So if you see this screen over here, so what you see is this is the sum of all of this data over here. This again is the sum of this. So if you want to write the formula to add all of this sum, what you will do basically is you will write equal to this plus the rest of the columns. So if you don't know how to select all of the columns, then you will go and select each of the columns. However, this could have been achieved by using sum of all of these columns. Okay, so that is a small steps which you should understand. Okay, however, let's say you want to get the year to date profit of all of this data over here. So what I will do, let's say for January, what is the year to date profit? That is 70. Okay, so this 70 can change based on the expenses. Let's say it is 20, so it can get changed to 80. So what I will do, the data over here, what is my year to date uh, profit for January? It is this cell. So I will just replace like the data in year to date profit will be this profit cell itself. Okay, now let's move to February. Okay, so for February, what will be my year to date profit? So it will be again 170 plus 80. Okay, so what will be the formula? Formula basically what you will say is this plus this. Okay, so that will give me 250. Again, if I want to add the data for March, what you will say is the formula is this. So if I select all these three cells together, you see the sum is 530. However, this could have been achieved in a better way. So if I want to do it for June and this, let's say this columns goes on, then every time I cannot, if I add this sums together and together, then that will be a big process. So in order to achieve the same, what I will do is I will say equal to this plus this. Now that has given me 250. However, if I go over here and if I select equal to, so I will show you what is the result of the first one. So this plus this plus this. So this is the result of the first approach. So if I just remove it and if I say I want to select this plus this, see, this gives me the same result. Why? Because February's cumulative data is already represented over here. So I will just copy these two cells. So some of the times and if I just drag and move this with my left click on, and if I just drag this over here, if you see over here, these two numbers are matching. So I need to add the cumulative uh, year to date profit plus the current profit, and that will give me this result. So sometimes you need to use your trick to get the best formula out of the given sets. Okay, so this is the way wherein you can try different things in a different way, but simple things in a more simpler way. Okay, so that was it for the day for year to date profit. Okay, if you like this video, just give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. Thank you.